People, I like my short recipes, and today is no exception. I'm gonna show you how to make this super easy carrot cake. And it's practically all done in a blender. Let's get started. Like with most recipes, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. All right, we're gonna chuck this bowl to the side because I don't need it right now. But what we do need right now is my blender. So the first thing you're gonna add to the blender is your carrots. It's about 3 to 4 carrots or 230 grams. Peel them, chop them up, good to go. You're gonna add in 1 cup or 190 grams of vegetable oil. So easy. Up next is the date sugar. That is 1 cup or 140 grams. And last but not least is your egg. So this is a vegan recipe and we are using 3 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, which means I need to add about 9 tablespoons of water to this mixture. So basically 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 3 tablespoons of water. And there we go. Give it a. Take your wet ingredients and pour them out into a large bowl or medium bowl, whatever you got. I know I always say this, but it truly does smell incredible. I've got my whisk, and to the carrot mixture, we are gonna add in 1 cup or 135 grams of whole wheat flour and ½ cup or 80 grams of all-purpose flour. Then I'm gonna add in 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. And mix. And if I haven't said it before, let me tell you, once everything is combined, stop. Don't over mix. I have my baking pan here and I'm just going to add in 1 line of parchment paper and pour the cake on top. Smooth it out as best you can. And like I said, this is gonna go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 15 minutes or until a fork or toothpick comes out clean. Super delicious, very moist, not too sweet, and basically all done in a blender. When you give this recipe a go, let me know what you think in the comments below. All right, people, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.